Welcome to Magitudes and to my review about Discord Me Platinum. I've personally used Discord Me Platinum on my language learning server Linguaholic. I've used it for a couple of months and here's my review about it. So the whole purpose of subscribing for a service like that is obviously to get more Discord members. So now I'm going to show you exactly how many new members I got with the help of Discord Me Platinum. To do that, we will have to dive into the server statistics. So let me just quickly head over to my personal dashboard. On my dashboard you can see all of my servers, and now I'm going to dive into the statistics by clicking on the three dots here next to Bump Server. And then I will just go into View Statistics. Now, as you can see, in the last 7 days my server here on Discord Me had 117 page views and 87 invites have been generated. Now, whenever an invite is generated, that means that usually people will actually join the server. It doesn't mean that they stayed on the server for a long time, and in some cases maybe just the invite is created and they don't even join. But still, that's a pretty high number. And that's just for the last 7 days. However, I can adjust the time period here and change that to 30 days. And you can see that in 30 days my server got 406 server page views and 285 invites have been generated. So that means that in just 30 days almost 300 people most likely have joined my server. I must say that for $40 in a month I'm super happy about these results. Getting new members on Discord is actually pretty difficult. That especially holds true for new servers. So my take on this is that Discord Me Platinum works extremely well. Especially if you have a new server, it is a great way to get some members into your server. And let's be honest, it is very difficult for every new server to get some members. And with Discord Me Platinum, you will easily get a couple hundred of members into your server and you can grow it from there. The first couple hundred of members is definitely the most difficult to get. And with a service like this you can get to this amount of members very quickly. Now, how many members will join your server depend on a lot of factors, of course. One important factor is obviously the niche that you are working in. So this is a language learning server, so I was able to get hundreds of members in. But if your server is about something else, maybe about the game or gaming in general, or maybe you have another kind of community server, maybe more people will join or less. But overall, I must say that I'm pretty confident that with the Platinum service, you can get a lot of new members for sure. I also used the Platinum service for another Discord server that I got on Discord Me, and there the Platinum service also worked pretty well. It generated less invites than here on my language learning server, but I was still able to get about 100 to 200 new members a month, which I think is still worth investing about $40 a month. Now, if you would like to know exactly how many people joined on your server, you will need to use a bot for that purpose where you can track the invites. You can find that bot by simply heading over to top.gg and there search for invite logger. Then you can simply invite that bot to your server. Also, in your server settings you will be able to see all the invites that are currently active. To check that, simply click on the down arrow next to your server's name, go into server settings, and then go to invites. And you will see a list with all the invite codes that are currently active on your server, and you can also see how many times these server invites have been used so far. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was useful to you, and if it was, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.